It's a rainy, cold, kind of miserable day. The snow is going quite fast. That big snowbank is almost melted out. There's the, what is that? Compost tea. Oh, who's in the greenhouse? There's somebody in the greenhouse. Let's go see who's in the greenhouse. Let me see. Oh, look at that. There's a little girl in the greenhouse. Who is that? It's Jaden Honnet. Hello, Jaden. What are you doing in the greenhouse? Are you looking at the plants?
Yeah.
Yeah? What's growing? What's that beside you there? You know what that is?
No.
Onions. Is that onions?
Yeah.
Yeah. What are you going to do in the greenhouse today?
I don't know.
You don't know. What would you like to do?
I don't know.
You don't know that either.
It's the music.
Oh, you want music?
Yeah.
Okay, well just a minute then. I'll put this on pause and we'll do music.